Hey, good morning. It's Bob, Trade Genius, the 12th of May, and I am getting very, very excited. So, the thing that I have traded the best in my life is is when there's good trends running in precious metals. And the last time silver and gold ran, we made 6 times our money in a year, and I think those days are coming upon us again. And I want to go through the silver miners today. Tomorrow I'll go through the gold miners, and just to give you guys some perspective on some buy points. And a couple people in our room were asking, hey, you made some really good money on First Majestic. Is there some other plays? Yeah, in fact, there's two that you should probably buy on Monday, and I'll point those out to you. So I'm going to walk through. There's not that many pure silver miners, and I'll walk through the two ETFs as well. So just to give you perspective, ignore this thing here because I use this for call and put writing for the major indexes. I just don't feel like turning it on and off. So we have this orange line here really represents, because this is an hourly chart, represents the 100-day moving average on a daily. And so you really want to trade things that are on it or bouncing off of it. And so right now, CDE had a good run. Money flow is consolidating. It's above VWAP. It's above its 100-day moving average, and it's above its trend dot. So if you want to get this, is either you catch it on a breakout, above 858 area, or you look for this to bounce and roll higher for the next move on CDE. First Majestic, this is just classic consolidation, big breakout, consolidating right down to the 100-day moving average. Everything's a go, and I think we're going to get another push higher here on next week. And I'm in it, for a while now, and I'm planning to be in it for a while. So AG is good to go here. If you haven't taken a position, you might want to wait to see if it slips down. But the opportunity probably was to rebuy it here on Friday morning when they tried to shake people out of their position. Also in Hecla, it sold back down to VWAP. That's okay. So if you want to buy it, I would wait now until we get a move here back over the 100-day line. But it's trending nicely, and but there's no reason to buy it right now if you don't already own it. Okay, SSRM had really good earnings. It's come back down to test the 100-day moving average, and so I would just keep an eye on this one here. If it gets a bounce off of this, it's gonna continue to move, and but I would wait till next week to take a look at it. I have two more that I think are ready to go right now. Okay, just the silver, section of the stock market looks perfect. Breakout, test, breakout, test, and then go, and looks really good as far as I'm concerned. Okay, it's consolidating right up to the 100-day again. I think PAS is ready to roll too, but needs a little more time here to set up. Wheat and precious metals is just it's been in this range from 1850 to 2150, 22 for a long time, and it's a slow mover, and so it looks like it's ready to bounce off its 100-day now too. Money flow is moving up. Okay, you want to buy Endeavor. All right, it poked up above the VWAP, sold back down, coming back up over the 100-day again. And so if you want to buy it, you can just put a buy stop at 295 and let her run. Okay, Fortuna is the other one as well. It's breaking up over. Let it push up 571, 572 area. I'd be buying Fortuna silver as well. And then Gray Panther we already bought. Come back down to test it. So we'll see how far it pushes, but if you're not in Great Panther, if it gets down to here and it bounces, I'd be buyer, but I already own it. And the thing about these miners is they're being sneaky here. They're just grinding higher, which is actually is a good thing, because I think once people realize, oh my gosh, these things are up 10-15% already, people start piling in, and then we'll get our 100% moves. Okay, Mag Silver, another perfect test, the 100-day. Money flow's moving up. You could buy Mag Silver right here too. And let me go to SILJ. Okay, there's a lot of the over-counter ones. Okay, perfect test of the 100-day. Money flows is rolling over for now, but that doesn't mean anything. It can roll right back up again. So if you like SILJ, you can buy some here at 11.50. You can buy some here at 11.44. You can buy some here at 11.28, or you can buy it if it breaks out at 11.60 area. Your call, dealer's choice. And then SIL is bouncing off the 100-day, and so it's pretty much ready to go if you want to buy it. Anyway, I hope that helps you. And if you want to trade with us, just join us. We're running some specials now, and I think you're going to really like them. And we're redoing everything, our whole website, our whole way of doing business, new products, and it'll be pretty cool. So just check in with us, and you could trade the ETF side with me. And we call it ETF. It's really the stocks. We trade futures there too. And then we have a room that trades cryptocurrencies and binaries. And we have software signals. We have dealer's choice picks that we do. And then we also have what's called the Crypto Express, which we actually will send those trade signals directly out to you via email, right to your computer and right to your phone. And you get them 24/7. So look forward to seeing you there. Well, we're going to make a lot of money here once silver starts to go, and it'll just be a lot of fun between cryptos and precious metals. A lot of money to be made here in the next 12 months. Thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys a little bit later today. Bye bye.